we'll guide you through how to set up Gmail account access. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail website by typing in mail.google.com. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look at the top right corner and click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From there, you need to select See All Settings to access the full settings page. On the settings page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Accounts and Import tab. This is where you manage your account access settings. Under the Grant Access to Your Account section, you'll find the option to add another account. Click on Add Another Account. A new window will pop up asking you to enter the email address of the person you want to grant access to. Type in the email address, then click on Next Step. Confirm your selection by clicking Send Email to grant access. The person you've invited will receive an email with a confirmation link. They need to click on this link to accept the invitation and gain access to your account. Remember, granting access allows them to read, send, and delete your emails, so make sure you trust the person. If you ever want to revoke access, you can come back to this section and remove the person's email. This setup is great for sharing your account with an assistant or a family member who needs to manage your emails. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.